Prior to Code Institute, I did go to college. I have a business degree, which I finished off in 2009. And then I took a break, basically I started working, and then I decided to go back to college. Before doing the Code Institute course, I was working full-time as a restaurant manager, and I just felt that I needed a change. The course helped me, build up my technical skills and actually be able to apply for a technical role in an IT company. So after I graduated the course, 8 weeks later, I was hired by a small IT company, and I was doing QA. And after that, I joined Accenture, which is, a big employer in Ireland right now. My name is Adrian. I'm 32 years old, and I'm a graduate of Code Institute.